Hello
Hi
guys,
guys, welcome back
to Perfume
Perfume
Sing. Alright, so आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं ये प्लिक्स का ऑरा कलेक्शन. वेरी नाइस पैकेजिंग.
Magnetic.
सो इसमें भी हमें 20 ml के 4 डिकेंट्स मिल जाएंगे which you can try and then you can choose that which one is good,
Yeah.
and then you can buy the full size bottle of it.
Yes.
All right. One thing that I want to clarify is we don't do any paid promotions. ये सारे reviews हमारे अपने हैं, अपने पैसे खर्च करके हम perfumes लेकर आते हैं और आप सबके लिए review करते हैं.
If you want to make us review any perfume, please let us know in the comment section below.
All right. So the first perfume is Shots. Let me show it. I think this is the better.
Even by the name, it feels like something like party.
Party Shots. Yes. All right. Okay. So the company is saying that it is vanilla and amber.
Let's see if they're right.
Let's see. So Party Shots is for party. Let me show you the atomizer as well.
Just shots.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Plix is also
Yes.
a
As the name
company-
suggests, vanilla and amber. It's little on the sweeter side,
It has vanilla. It has to be on the sweet side.
but very nice fragrance. Yes,
It
I would definitely wear it for the party. The whole box for around 450 something. So yeah, on the discounts. But again, I doubt the longevity. So when I
Like
tried
on-
some of these, I think this one not sure, but I tried Serene and the others. The longevity was max 5 hours. Not that good from the performance perspective. Average performance, I would say.
But the initial fragrances are really good.
Yeah, the fragrances are very good. I think some of them are also clones, which are hyped in some of the Instagram and the other social media platforms.
So next we're gonna try Power.
Power.
So according to the company, it's saying that it is a perfume for high status.
High status power.
The name says it kind of.
If you are in the office at a higher position, maybe you want to.
Bossy
Yeah,
fragrance.
exactly. Oh yes.
Does it make you feel supreme?
Reminds me of yes, a very famous perfume, Terra de Hermes.
A famous boss?
Mhm.
No.
No, the famous perfume Terra de Hermes. If you have heard that name, the orangey and the vetiver fragrance that I'm getting.
Nice.
Yes, it's Terra de Hermes. Okay, so next one we have is Serene. Okay, so this is Serene. Serene, it says the notes profile is jasmine and conifer pine.
So according to the company and according to me as well, I think this is your mainly like your go-to perfume. Like if you want to go somewhere out like quickly and you want to smell good at the same time.
Yeah, it's
it's a very easy choice.
It's
At least out of this collection.
It's a summer fragrance, very good one. You can see that this is the most used one. I've made a huge dent on this perfume already. So I have tried that, applied that. The fragrance wise, it's really nice, but again the performance wise, it's a little lacking.
It's,
Maximum 4 to 5 hours. On the skin, I think it's just 3 hours, and it depends on person to person chemistry also. If you are eating non-veg or if you are vegetarian, that also enhances sometimes, or so body chemistry also.
Yeah, it depends
Yeah.
on your body chemistry, which perfume you like and
Right.
which one you really want to
I
include.
sweat a lot, so for me the longevity of most of the perfumes is very less. That's my personal thing.
And the last perfume we have here is going to be
This is Night. All right. So let's see. The presentation and the bottles are really nice. I like that one. And we have
just
to give
so
it
you
to
know,
Plix.
just so you know, it's KNIGHT, not NIGHT.
Oh. Wow, I can smell oud straight away.
Okay,
It's oud.
makes sense. As I said, I've said
but
this.
it might not be a mass pleasing kind of a fragrance that everyone would like, but this is sweet. Reminds me again of a niche perfume.
This is definitely my
Ombre
favorite.
leather or Ombre Nomad, I think. Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomad.
It makes me feel
But-
superior.
But that fragrance is very expensive. This is very cheap. I think so. We can't compare those two fragrances, but this the scent profile is definitely very similar to that one.
This is definitely my favorite.
This is
Night?
definitely not my favorite.
Yeah.
Because
So
I like the
As we
summer,
said.
fresh fragrance.
As
so
we
this
said,
is
body chemistry.
this is winter. Should
100%.
be worn on a special occasions. Again, you have to remember this is not mass pleasing, as Manpreet is not liking it.
And
So it
as
might not.
It's not bad, but it's not.
Mama finds it weird.
It's not
Weird.
my
So
type.
again, the
Masculine.
company, yes, it's
Again?
masculine. Company is saying the main notes are saffron and oud.
It
So
the company, and I also think by smelling it, it gives me power,
yeah, I think yes.
like superiority in a way.
The name also says night, and it's on the oriental side, more woody. All right, so that was Plix for you guys, and we'll be there again with the next review.
See you in the next
Peace.
video.
Peace.